Welcome, my beautiful people. How you guys doing today? Well, I'm in my garden this morning and it's raining. So it's a wonderful day for me and it's a wonderful day for the plant. You know, all the seeds that I set, the rain is wetting them, so that's a good thing. So they're gonna bust up very fast. So this morning, I'm just walking through, I'm just checking everything, I'm just making sure that there's no leaves under the small plant because that's very important. There's things that you got to do when you plant your garden. You cannot just, I always stated, you cannot just plant them and leave them because you definitely will not get anything from them. And with me, I love vegetables. So if I come out here and plant, I'm surely expect to eat from them. And you see, you got to always maintain. This is something you got to always maintain. You see, this is the reason why I like to dig banks. Because when you dig banks, you see the plant is there and the water is here. So the water cannot wash away the dirt from around the plant. The water have its own way to walk. Sometimes it settle here and it's even soak the root for the plant. So that's why I rather to dig banks. So how you beautiful people doing today, man? I hope you guys doing fine, you know what I'm saying? Today's a beautiful day in the garden, loving it. Because once a plant happy, you got to be happy too. That's no joke about that. Today I have some potato that I want to transplant because I noticed them growing up in different area in the garden. Because all like this one, this is a potato. You see how close it is to the kale. This also is another potato. So today I want to transplant them, and today is a beautiful day for transplanting. It's raining and it's not raining too heavy. So today is a beautiful day for transplanting. Yes. I don't know if you guys seen, but what happened was I planted some cabbage last fall and every one of the cabbage turned seed. So I just take everything out. I don't know the reason. I'm trying to figure it out, but they definitely turn seed. So I'm not sure if I'm going to plant cabbage in the fall anymore. Because I don't want to, I was waiting for cabbage all from fall, and now the time to harvest, everything turning seed. So I don't know what's going on. And I saw another video with someone basically going through the same thing. So I don't know what kind of season it is, or if it's I don't know what happened in the air. I just don't know. Oh yes, these are my banana pepper them. They're looking pretty nice right here. You know, I always, if you notice, I'm always softening the dirt around the plant. I'm always doing that because it's very important. When the dirt is soft around the root, the plant grows better because I don't know if you know something named back root. You back the root of the plant. How you do that? You do that because the dirt around the root is so hard that it cannot, the root is not strong enough to push through that dirt. So because of that, the plant just stands still. But while the root's spreading, you can always expect your plant to become big and bear plenty. So that's the reason why I always come and try to soften the root. I mean, look at these plants. They're naturally telling you right at this moment that they're growing. They definitely tell you that they're growing. So this is the update, guys. I'm just trying to tell you guys and show you guys simple things that can make your garden produce a lot for you, and you don't have to spend an arm and a leg buying all different kind of stuff to try to get them grow. Number one, you got to go in your garden with good energy, good vibes. You cannot go in your garden thinking evil and wishing bad about other people. That don't work. You have to go in your garden thinking positive. Yeah. And when you go in your garden thinking positive, they're gonna be positive. Because you create that love energy in the garden, so the love begin to spread between you and your plant, and now they start loving you and start producing for you. These are keys, and with these key steps, you ain't got to go to the store and buy a bunch of stuff. It's an energy, it's a certain energy that grow your garden. Once you could get that energy in your garden, you don't need nothing more. I'm telling you guys, you don't need anything more, because you have that energy, that love for the plant. You know, you always got to walk through your garden, because there's always something to do. Always. There's always something to do, you know. I'm always softening the root because I know the benefits from softening the root. You see how I plant these plant deep? Look how they plant deep. So when they plant deep, the more bigger they get, the more I break in the bank. So by the time they get up there and I'm softening around the root, I'm not going